So here is my brand new Wacom tablet. Well, yeah, it's been a while and I have been waiting for it for so long, and it finally arrived and I'm so super happy for it. Let's check it out. Well, it came with this tablet which looks amazing, then a connector and some nibs which could be replaced, then some sheets like for guiding you which was unnecessary, and the pen. Yep, the soul of this tablet. It's light and really easy to use. I absolutely loved its red color because it's really attractive. Now let's check out how it works. So simply connect the Wacom with your laptop or PC, whatever you have, and yeah, it's ready to use. So for the setup, the link is given in the description. Go to the website, download it for PC or Mac, whatever you own, and simply let it download. After the download is done, simply install it on your system, and it might take a while, but it's almost done. Yay, it's done. So now simply restart your system and enjoy the settings. So after it's done, just go to Wacom tablet properties from the start menu and open it up. So here you can alter the properties of what you want your pen's button to do, and you can set it up according to you. You can check it out and yeah, then try it out. I'm very happy with my purchase, and I would suggest you to give it a try as well, because this is what a designer should own.